What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gemini Jets August 2020 releases. As you can see right here, they have the new releases down here. And if I had to rate these releases 1 out of 10, it would be a 7. So not great, but not terrible. And there are some that I will be picking up, so make sure you watch till the end to see the ones that I'll be picking up. Also, I know a lot of people have done this before, but I just wanted to give my input, so make sure you watch till the end if you guys want to see all of my input on these aircrafts. So right here you can see 1 for 100 scale Gemini Jets September 2020 releases coming soon. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you like aviation content. Anyway, here is the first aircraft, which is 1 for 100 scale. That's what we're going to be starting off with, which is a Aeromexico McDonnell Douglas MD-83. Let's take a look at that. Very, very beautiful. As you can see here, it is, let's see, Aeromexico Travel. So I guess that would be their traveling between cities inside Mexico and other places, but not, I wouldn't think they would fly to the US. I'm pretty sure they don't fly these anymore, but if maybe you're doing a retro airport or something, this would be a very, very, very cool to have. The next one is the American Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. This is $55.95. No special livery, just their new livery. I have been waiting forever for them to release this for my Kahului airport, but now that I stopped doing it, I'm not sure I'm going to pick this up. But this does look very, and I mean very beautiful, like a very beautiful mold. You can see you got the typical new livery with American flag on the back, but the engines and the wing just look fantastic. And you have 2 little Wi-Fi boxes as well as some antennas, so it looks very, very detailed and designed very well. Good job, Gemini Jets. The next one is the Emirates Airbus A380. This is $85. Oh, it's $65. I thought that said 85. I was like, that's ridiculous. Anyway, this is the UAE in space livery. Let's take a look at that. As you can see here, here is the livery. It says the sky is only the beginning. And you have your little character space dude right there, as well as the 4 engines and the wing. This looks like a very, very nice model. They did take a break from releasing Emirates models for a while, because for a while there, that was like the only model they were releasing. I swear, it was A380 Expo livery every single time. But this one actually looks like a really nice livery, and if it did come to one of my airports, I would definitely buy it. So yeah, I would pick that one up if I were you. The next one is the Jet2.com. Sorry for that. Low cost airline. Well, yeah, Jet2. Boeing 737-800, which I believe NG already released. It's $44.95. Sorry. Alright, here is the... Oh, I already have it pulled up. Here is the picture for that. As you can see, it looks very, very nice. We have Jet2.com. Or no, just Jet2, I guess. And it says friendly low fares, I believe is what it says. As well as the Jet2, like, brand thing right here, as well as they have it on the engines and the winglets and the tail. If I'm being completely honest, I have no idea where Jet2 flies to. Jet2 flies to, that's funny. Anyway, but if I did have an idea of where these fly to, and it did come to one of my airports, it does look like a very decent model. If you didn't already get the NG one, which I think they released. I could be wrong on that one, but anyway. The next aircraft is one that I will be picking up, which is the United Boeing 777-200. It is $55.95, so same as the American 777. It is in the new livery, matter of fact, and holy moly, this looks good. I just got the United 777-300ER, which will be in a unboxing tomorrow, as well as a few other models, so make sure you guys go ahead and watch that. So yeah, you have the all blue caps, United logo, Wi-Fi box, antennas, all that good stuff. Evo blue tail. This looks like a extremely good model for the price. And I do know they released a 777-300 in the new livery, but it is good that they are bringing out the new livery United aircrafts. Especially for me, Aviation 18, all the other United collectors, this is very, very huge. This is the Gemini Jets Max August 2020 releases, which I'm assuming they're like using, or they're gonna bind it in with the September one, so I guess we'll just go over that. We have the, I have no idea how to say that. Bunderis Republik Deutschland. I'm pretty sure this is the German one. It is $56.95. Let's take a look at this. Wow, that is very beautiful. As you can see, you have the red. Yeah, that's definitely German, because that's the flag right there, and right there, and right there. But anyway, I'm not sure what this text means. If you do speak German, be sure to let me know in the comments. But one thing I would say about this aircraft, it does look good, but the front of the A350 right here, it does not look right. It looks like it's like straight down, not even like a nose cone, and then the window. It's just like straight down, which maybe that's how it is. I'm looking at a Phoenix one right now, and it does not look like that. But I don't know. Maybe that's how it is in real life. But this does look like a very nice model. I'm not sure where these fly to, obviously, but it does look like a very nice model. Next one is the United Kingdom Airbus A330-200. This is $54.95. Let's take a look at this. Wow, that is beautiful. If I'm right, this is their new livery, because their old one was all gray, I believe. Or it could be reversed. No, this is their new livery. So you have United Kingdom right here, as well as the British flag, with registration ZZ336, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-ish antennas, and then I'm not entirely sure what that is, but that's definitely part of the aircraft. I've seen some very good pictures of it on Instagram and stuff, which make sure to follow me, MileHigh_Aviation on Instagram. So yeah, this does look like a very nice model. The front, or the nose cone, looks like it's in proportion. And yeah, I might be picking this one up. I'm not sure why, but I'm pretty sure they do fly to the US, so you never know. It could come to Denver. The next one is United States Navy Boeing P-8 Obsidian, which is basically their 737-800, but military and buffed, I guess. This is $48.95, which I thought they released it last time. No, they didn't. I thought they already released it, but anyway. 20 seconds. Okay, we're back. So yeah, we are at the Obsidian. Here is a picture of that. Very, very beautiful. Looks highly detailed with all the antennas and doors and wings, all that good stuff. Well, I guess you could say. And then the Navy back here with all the detail on the back. And detail right here, here. Looks very detailed, and I could possibly be picking this one up. Now we're starting off with the 1/200 scale Gemini Jets 200, or Gemini 200. September 2020 releases. Starting off with the Air Canada Embraer E175 for $85. Let's take a look at that. Alright, here it is right here. Very, very nice. They did release this in the 1/400 scale not too long ago. Embraer has, or is known for, I guess you could say, that really like sharp nose cone. You have the L1 boarding door, then the back door with the registration CFEJB, Embraer E175. Very, very nice if you are a 1/200 scale collector. The next one is the British Airways, A380 for a whopping $182. Let's see if it's worth the price. Yeah, so definitely very, very detailed. You have the British flag, registration right here with all the doors, windows, British Airways with the flag type thing at the top. This does look very, very nice, and I can imagine how big a 1/200 scale A380 is. Sorry, I'm pretty sure it's like the size of my entire airport, but whatever. Next is the Frontier Airlines Airbus A320neo in the Flower the Hummingbird livery, which I am waiting for Gemini Jets to release in 1/400 scale, but they don't seem to have any plans for that. So Frontier with the bird on the back, very, very beautiful livery. As much as I hate flying Frontier, their liveries are amazing, and I would love to try Frontier again, because about 4 years ago I tried them and it was absolutely terrible. But anyway, we have 1, 2, 3 antennas with the beacon light, I think is what they call it, and then the Frontier new livery logo. It does look very, very nice, and is Flower the Hummingbird livery. I could possibly be picking this one up just for decoration, as it does look like quite a nice model. Next one is the Loof Waffle A310. I have no idea what this is. Oh, a military plane. This is probably another German one if I had to guess. I'm not really sure though, I can't tell. Yeah, German, here's the flag. So yeah, it's like a cargo section up here with windows. So I guess it's like a cargo and passenger type thing. This does look like a very nice model for a 1/200 scale. Not much to say about that. The next one is the United Kingdom Airbus A330-200, which is basically what we looked at up here, but this is in 1/200 scale. Let's take a look at that. Yep, that looks very, very beautiful. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same as a 1/400 scale with all the antennas and stuff, so not much to talk about that either. The next one is the United 777-200, which they released in 1/400 scale as well, and is $145.95. As you can see here, it is in the new livery. I could possibly be picking this one up in 1/200 scale as well, because I just think it would be very cool to have for decoration on like a desk or something. But anyway, you have the blue engines, all blue titles. We already went over this in 1/400 scale, and it does look like a very nice model. The next one is the Air Force One in the new livery. It is $200. A bit expensive for that one, but I guess you get what you pay for. Which is very, very beautiful, and I actually don't even remember. I know they released it in 1/400 scale, but I don't remember when. And I do regret not picking that one up. But anyway, you have the red and the white and blue lines with the blue engines, and it says United States of America with the American flag on the back. And this is not Trump's plane. Well, Trump would use it, but he also has his own private jet. So I think they made this just because their old Air Force One was a little outdated. So yeah. The next one is the United States Navy Boeing P-8 Obsidian, which we also reviewed up here in the 1/400 scale, but let's take a look at that. As 1/200 scale is much different. Well, not much different. It literally looks the exact same, like they just copied and pasted it, but yeah, you have all your antennas, a ton of detail in this model, and yeah, this would be a very cool model to have in 1/400 scale, especially because of all the detail it has. The last one for Gemini 200 is the US Airways Express Bombardier-8Q300, which is by US Airways Express. I did have the chance to fly US Airways a few times in my childhood, which is very sad that they are no longer a thing. Well, they are with American, but anyway, here's the aircraft. The registration is N326EN. You have your American flag on the back. Nothing much to talk about this, as unfortunately the airline nor the aircraft fly anymore. And yeah, antenna, cargo door, very nice model. I think it'd be cool to have on a desk if you want to just like remember US Airways for the great airline that it was. Next one is 172 Gemini Jets, which is only one aircraft, a Cessna 172. This is for August as well, which they did for August again. I think it's just a different livery. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, so it's just a different livery. You have your you have your red, blue, and darker blue, and Skyhawk written in a special font back there with your landing gear and stuff. This would be very cool to have, but it is quite expensive, coming in around $70. The registration is, well, I could hope you could see it, because it's like as big as it gets, in 2386V, registration on the back of the aircraft. Very, very nice model. So in all, I think they mix the August releases over here and down here with the September one, even though they already did it up here. But yeah, these releases, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is a 7 out of 10. And I would highly recommend you guys pick some of these up if you can. I'm going to be getting the United 777-200, and I think that's it. I might get the Obsidian and the Frontier A320 Neo. But hopefully they release this in 1/400 scale for the October releases. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you have a good rest of your day. And I will see you guys in the next video, which should be a model review tomorrow. So yeah, peace out, guys.